Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2012 Nissan Juke. One of the most hated cars on the planet by a lot of people. I honestly think as time has gone on, it's grown on me a little bit. I love how just weird, quirky, and fun these things are. They put a GTR motor in like one or two of them. They said they were gonna make like 5, but I think they only made like 1. This one is, I believe, an SV. I think, yeah, SV all-wheel drive, sunroof. She's got some clear coat peeling in a couple places, but you know that it's to be expected. Actually, I don't think that's clear. It might be. It's definitely faded a little bit, but she's not bad. She's not bad. Just a little Juke. Oddball cars. It's one of these cars, you know, if you're a fan of Top Gear, the Grand Tour, this car was very heavily discussed as one of the worst and ugliest cars ever made. I don't think it deserves that. I don't think the AC is blowing nice and cold either, but I'll still take some AC. But that's just odd. So that's about as basic as it can get. That opens. Oh yeah, that's a Juke, baby. Now just tilt. Means I'm probably gonna get a little closer. All right, AC, it is hot. 129,000 miles. That's a little, does the whole cluster move? No, just the wheel. All right. You brake. Your all-wheel drive controls are down here. I'm actually going to pump the fan speed up a little bit because I'm absolutely dying in here. Now the AC is blowing cold. I'll take that. This has nav? I'm not gonna do, I have to make sure to clear that. I'm not gonna do that on camera. Out of respect to the previous owner. Oh my God, how did I not know it did that? That's really, really cool. So climate, and then it changes all the buttons. Sport. Did that just have a boost gauge? Oh, that is cool. love this little car. I absolutely love this little car. Do not merge into me, please. This thing has a ton of torque. I do think it is absolutely extremely distracting to have the boost gauge down there. So in normal, it shows you eco. Ah, okay. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.